Hi everybody, it's Jeanette Bell from East Coast Mummy, and if you like sweet treats on a budget, I have a great party planning idea for you today, a DIY candy bar. Stick around to the end of the video to see the completed DIY candy bar I made for my son's graduation party. The first thing you want to do is hit the dollar store and pick out some of your favorite candy that will work with cute punny signs. I picked up all of these treats for my son's graduation party, but you can pick out whatever you like. To make a candy bar look impressive and cohesive, it's a good idea to make a sign that says what it is, and also to make little tags for each of the individual items on the candy bar. I made all of these for my son's graduation party, but you can do whatever with your own theme. I designed them on PicMonkey.com and I printed them where I print my photos. I have these ones for free on my blog, so if you need something for a graduation party, you can grab them there. I have the food labels on a 4x6 photo, 3 to a picture, and then I just cut them up. Then I took a piece of tape, attached it to a paper straw, and use that to attach it to the back of each of the tags. This is a really cute and easy way to label all the items. To make the sign for my candy bar look a little bit fancier, I grabbed this old dollar store frame that I had used for another party. I inserted the 8x10 picture that I had designed, and I put it on a plate holder. And I absolutely love the way it looks. The next step is to gather up containers that go together. I found a variety in my cupboard and at the dollar store, and I went with all clear plastic or clear glass. Then it's time to fill the containers with candy. I filled this one with chocolate kisses and added a label that says "Goodbye Kisses." Cute, right? Next up is a really fun trick that I like to use for parties. I took a box of Nerd candies and I used them to fill little containers that are used for condiments. I love this because it makes the candy bite-sized and easy to grab, and it's really cute and really fun. I filled another container with little boxes of Smarties and added a tag that says Smarty Pants. The next container got filled with suckers, and I added a little tag that says "So long, suckers." If you're still with me and you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I filled another container with gummy worms and another one with gummy bears. For the worms, I labeled them bookworms, and for the gummy bears, I named them teacher pets. Candy rings are fun at a party, and for a graduation party, you can add a little tag that says class rings. I also included Starburst candies with a sign that says "Reach for the stars." Kit Kats are a great addition for chocolate lovers, and you can include a sign that says "Study Breaks." Pop Rocks are really fun. I took the packages, put them in a little container, and added a sign that says "Graduating Rocks." I also included these goldfish with an officially graduated sign and this tray of Smart cookies. I have a tutorial for this tray made from dollar store supplies, and I'll leave the link in the description below. And here's a look at my Graduation is Sweet, Enjoy a Treat candy bar. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite treat? Did I include it in my DIY candy bar? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Talk to you next time. Bye.